So I'm the founder and director at Genoscope. With the kind of stellar impression that Rebalance has, would be a great cohort, particularly for, I feel, startups which are at their early stage like we are. It's great to have perspective, and it's great to have people who are kind of building similar things from a similar perspective, and then kind of, having a lot of help at boot camps and accelerators, so that kind of adds on to your journey. It's been beyond my expectations. Honestly, I came in like I had expectations, but it just outdid me because of a couple of things. Perspective from like a 360 degree. You have a founder coming in for the cohort who's built a startup recently and is still raising money. So since I'm coming from a science background, cohort that is teaching you, okay, A plus B is equal to C, something like that, it's very interesting. There are case studies that are presented to you. There are numbers that are shown to you. It comes from a very VC perspective. What could be the right way to do? Like today morning session with Dhruv, like it was amazing. Sometimes you just need to hear a few things from the VC front as to, what are they expecting, what is the expectation from the other side of the table. Sometimes we are just so in our own thing that we want to see everything from that perspective, and it's a fresh narrative. Looking at or expecting from investors and what investors are expecting, it just has to match. So things like that were incredible. They just stood out for me. The financial perspective, like when I came into the cohort, I had a very different idea of, how you should go about it. And while I spoke, even during our one-on-ones with a lot of mentors that we have been getting, you get a fresh perspective, you get a fair understanding of what is the expectation on the table and how can you actually cater to it. It is very dealable. Well, if I had to summarize in 3 words, it would be perspective, knowledge, and network. Maybe I can use a 4th one, mentorship, because it was immensely useful on a lot of fronts. So yeah.